Okay, do a big spin for her now so that she laughs at you. You should do it again and again so she keeps laughing. Go. And around and again and again and again. Just keep doing it. And again. And again. Oh, I want to do that with you. You like the spinning. Now do a twist. Do the twist. You like to do the twist? Isn't she funny? She's so funny when she dances. Okay, how about let's do the pirate dance. Oh, yeah, you tell them.
Good.
She's doing this. Look at this. I'm not bouncing you. You were dancing too. Should we clap? Yay!
Yay, Eva.
Eva. Okay, now let's do the Mickey Mouse one.